Thank you. So everyone is there? Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
So can you hear me properly? Can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Hello? Can you all hear me?
Yes,
Okay.
ma'am.
Okay. So what was that? What was our last class about? You all forgot? কি বিষয়ে কথা বলছিলাম আমরা? What were we talking about? So how many of you have done your communication skills? Have you done the chapter of your communications? You all can hear me, right?
Yes, ma'am.
So why is not everybody responding? I mean, I'm not trying to, ask you something. I'm just talking to you all. So where is everybody?
Ma'am, voice কেটে যাচ্ছে মাঝে মধ্যে।
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Sorry? What?
ম্যাম
Can you
মাঝে
say it
মধ্যে
again,
ভয়েস
please?
কেটে যাচ্ছে।
My voice? Okay. Okay, can you hear me now?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
এখন শুনতে পাচ্ছো?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, what are we doing in our last class? কি বিষয়ে কথা হচ্ছিল?
Ma'am, communication skills, ma'am.
Okay. So you remember okay, what in communication skills? তোমরা আমাকে বলো. You say it in Bengali, you say it in Hindi, whatever language, but speak it up. Yes, come on. You
To
have
communicate
Yes,
and to
Rahul, say.
communicate with each other.
To
To communicate with each other is known as communication.
Okay. Communicate with each other is communication. What else? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Connected at that time? Wait. Hello? Let's get an echo.
ম্যাম ইকো হচ্ছে
Yeah. Wait. Can you all hear me now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
I think because with my laptop there is something going on with the laptop, and that's why I was trying to connect with my phone. I rather will do it like that. Otherwise, we're wasting time. Maybe next day I'll come a little earlier and try and figure out how to do that. Okay. So yes, I was talking to you all about communication, right? So somebody said what communication is. It's about sharing your come on, say. You all have to say it. কি বুঝেছো সেদিন কমিউনিকেশনে? Come on, say it.
Communication is a process of sharing information
Communication.
using a set of common rules.
In a set of common rules. What kind of common rules?
Um,
It's okay. Others can also speak. What about others? What did you understand by communication?
process by which information is exchanged between individuals through a common system.
Okay. But what do you exchange? What do you exchange? সবাইকে বলতে হবে কিন্তু. You all have to come and say. And how you're doing it.
ম্যাম বলতে পারছি না, ইংলিশে প্রবলেম আছে ম্যাম।
হিন্দিতে বাংলায় বলো. Say it in Bangla. Doesn't matter. Say it in Bangla. If the concept is not clear, I will say it again. I'm going to tell you again. But that's fine. But you can say in any language as of now. Okay. So do you all want me to explain? আর কেউ কোনো কথা বলতে চায় না এটাতে? Nobody wants to say anything? See, this is not how I take my classes, okay? If you don't talk, then you probably don't come for the classes. যদি কথা না বলতে হয়, then don't come for the classes. Right? How many of you are here?
Yes, ma'am.
So rest of you, where is everybody? I want to talk to everyone. Okay. So it's Reek, Akash, Anubhav, Anushka, Bapan, Bikram, Bivab, Debangshu, Gaurika, Murta, Rahul, Rajiv, Raju Mondal, Ranajit, Ritesh, Rupa. Where are you guys? Saraswati, Sandeep, Shubho, Saurav Haldar, Shubhankar, Shubir, Saurajit, Surya, Subhajit, Tanya, Tanmoy, Naskar. Where are you guys? And Vivekananda. Are you all there?
ম্যাম
Yes,
আমি তো
ma'am.
আপনার শেষ ক্লাসটা করিনি, তাই আমি ম্যাম কিছু বলতে পারছি না।
So say that, right? ওটা তো বলতে হবে। তোমরা যদি না বলো, মুখে চুপ করে বসে থাকো, what is the point? মানে তোমরা কিসের জন্য ক্লাসটা করতে চাইছো? Then why do you want to do this class? Why do you think you want to do this class? কেন বলছো না সেটা? You have to tell me, right?
Yes, ma'am.
They ক্লাসটা করিনি, so I don't know. So there is one person who is saying that. What about the rest of them? বাকি সবাই ক্লাস করেছিল? There were some people যারা করেছিল, I'm asking them.
ম্যাম
সেটা
করিনি আমি ক্লাস।
There is no harm in saying that, ma'am, আমি ভুলে গেছি, I did not study, I have to go through it. কত রকম, you have to communicate. We're doing communication skills
Madam,
classes.
I did not study, ma'am.
You did not study, fine. Somebody who did not understand the concept. Come on, তোমরা মনে হচ্ছে যেন kindergarten কে পড়াচ্ছি. You all are like all grown up kids. You're not kids, you're grown ups.
right? Adults, tomorrow you're going to search for a job. Are you going to sit like that in your job? Kotha na bolle, how do you
Yes,
think
ma'am.
you will help?
I will job.
Then why aren't you talking? মানে এটা তো বলতে হবে যে ম্যাম we were not there in the class. যারা ছিল তারা বলবে যে কি পড়ানো হয়েছিল।
ম্যাম আমি ক্লাস করতে পারিনি ম্যাম।
Rest of you, বাকি যারা ছিল
আমি
ma'am.
করতে পারিনি।
স্কিল সম্বন্ধে পড়ানো হয়েছিল।
কিসের উপরে?
স্কিল সম্বন্ধে পড়ানো হয়েছিল, মানে কমিউনিকেশন স্কিল।
ওকে, ওটাতে আমরা কি বলেছিলাম? What মানে কিছু মনে আছে? What do you remember? Okay, let me start again. It's a recap. Okay, I'm giving a recap to you. Now, communication skills are about exchanging your ideas, your views, your thought process, or your gestures and postures, through your gestures and postures or your language. এখন যেটা আমি বলতে চাইছি যে আমরা মনে করো শুধু একটা ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজেই কথা বলছি, that is not true. You also need to have the right gesture, the way like আমি একটা স্মাইল দিচ্ছি বা আমি আই কন্ট্যাক্ট করছি বা আমি এরকম বলছি, don't we do this? এরকম করি ফ্রেন্ডসদেরকে? Great. Or somebody says that how do I do? You do this way. The person understands. You're still communicating. You don't have a language. So communication is a process of sending your views, your ideas, your thought process to the person who you're talking to through a language, through a gesture, through a body language, or through some signs. Whenever there are times যখন somebody's talking to you and somebody is smiling and nodding head, right? হয়তো এরকম,
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম, রাইট।
Yes, ma'am.
ইয়েস ম্যাম।
right? এই যে এখন তোমরা yes বলছো, এটাও কিন্তু communication. That is why when I started the class and I said that communication, have you done with your communication class? আমরা যদি communication class আজকে করে নিয়েছি, that means you have to understand. It's not like I am going to come give you a lecture, a presentation দিয়েছি and I'm done with my class. I'm not that kind. আমি যখন বলবো যে I have done with the class, you all should understand that I have to communicate irrespective of my language. Okay, yes, if you have to work globally, you have to know a language. India te Hindi o chole, English chole, Bangla chole, if you're in Calcutta. So these three languages are a mode of any human being to talk to one person to another, right? Age jokhon
Yes, ma'am.
script
ইয়েস
chilo,
ম্যাম।
when there was no how do you think in primitive age people used to talk? কিরম করে আগে জামানাতে লোকে কথা বলতো? How do you think they used to talk? Any idea?
Ma'am,
How they used to talk?
লেটার ম্যাম।
চিঠিপত্র ম্যাম।
In the letter, you have to have the scripts. 1 minute. Can you all hear me now? Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Did you all see those primitive age? Even today, like in there were like pictures drawn. পাথরের মধ্যে pictures বানিয়ে বানিয়ে রাখা হতো. Have you heard about those things?
ইয়েস ম্যাম।
In older days, right, they were like they used to carve on the stones এর মধ্যে carve করে করে করতো. So that was a kind of a language to show the culture. So এখন যারা এই নিয়ে পড়াশোনা করে, how did they find out about the older civilizations? It is through those drawings or those carvings. ওটা দিয়ে. So that was a mode of communication for the people. মানুষের মাথায় এরকম একটা তরিকা এসছে যে this is the way they can deal with telling what is happening to them or what happened, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
These are modes of communication, মানে যে কিভাবে তুমি কমিউনিকেট করবে। কেউ হেসে কোনো কথা বুঝিয়ে দিতে পারে, even like when it's a dance, right? When somebody is dancing, there is a storytelling also. ওটাতে ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজ হয় না, it's a performing art. You're performing a story through your dance, হয় কি না?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম।
হয় ম্যাম, হয়।
So there also you are communicating through dance. But so a society te jibone globally, if you have to stay in this world, every human being has to talk. Otherwise you will not be able to share your things. You cannot share your things, right?
Right, ma'am.
Right, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So communication ta অতটাই দরকার। এটা তো হলো for your own survival, for your own living, মানে তোমার জীবনে বেঁচে থাকার জন্য you have to talk in a society. কালকে when you die, when the whole civilization dies, then there will be somewhere somebody, you know, this literature people, the people they write about the society. So next civilization jodi kokhono ashe, they will come to know what kind of people we were, what we used to like, how we used to live. So that is a mode of communicating the process of life from one to the other. But in professional world also you will need to communicate. This which I said right now is a bigger picture. ওটা বড় একটা সিনারিওর কথা বলা হয়েছে যে এই জায়গা এই সময় if you have to live, you have to do this. But to survive in a workplace, can you go and say, suppose তোমার একটা client আছে who is from America, and he is in Bangalore, who is come from America, and he doesn't understand the local language. So he doesn't obviously understand Bengali, and he doesn't understand English. Forget about America. You know, there are a lot of South Indian guys, Chennai, especially Tamilians, they don't want to talk anything other than English. ওরা কিছুতেই অন্য কোনো ল্যাঙ্গুয়েজে কথা বলতে চায়। They don't want to talk Hindi, and obviously they'll not understand Bengali. You will not understand Kannada. So at a common language হয়েছে English. So ওখানে গিয়ে do you think that can you afford to tell that I don't know the language, or you will try your best to use the best of the words and sentences to make that person understand? সেটা করবে তো, নাকি এরকম চুপ করে বসে থাকবে?
ম্যাডাম সেটাই করবো।
Right? You will try your see, this is my humble request. আমি তোমাদের সবাইকে এটাই বলতে চাই যে it's very important that you all talk. See, you cannot improve yourself thinking that I will learn it today, আজকে ক্লাসটা করে নি তো আমি শিখে যাব, কখনো শিখবে না। you have to get into the water. You have to jump into swimming শেখার জন্য how do you think you will learn swimming? Swimming শিখে তারপরে জলে নামবে? এটা কখনো পসিবল হয়?
নো ম্যাম।
Right?
No, ma'am.
Yes, I think in villages ছোট বাচ্চাদেরকে নিয়ে গিয়ে জলে ফেলে দেওয়া হয়, and then he'll start putting his hands and trying to save himself. He will start floating if not swimming. কিছু না করে জল খাবে, ডুববে, হাবুডুবু খেয়ে he's going to survive, right? So
Yes, ma'am.
একটু জল
Right.
খেতে হবে, জল খেতে হবে, হাবুডুবু খেতে হবে. So you people have to start talking. Unless you get that choking part in you, you will not get the flavor of learning. So এটা আমি humbly request করছি তোমাদের সবাইকে, whatever you know, যতটা জানো, I am here to help you. So you all have to come out and talk. So there today when you are talking about communication skills, learn it very carefully. Aware হয়ে যাও যে জিনিসগুলোর, যে টুলস গুলোর কথা বলা হচ্ছে, যে about that, and get into the things. Hello? Can you all hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
today, yes, in the last class, I told you about communication. Did I tell you about the soft skills and hard skills, the difference of soft skills and hard skills? Yes? Did I tell you about the soft skills and
Yes,
hard
ma'am.
skills? Okay. So
Yes, ma'am.
communication cycle, it's very important. Now you know that communication cycle happens from one person to one or to many. It can also be a group conversations. It can be one-on-one. না মিডিয়াম গুলো কি হতে পারে? মিডিয়াম মিন্স কিভাবে কথা বলা হচ্ছে। একটা তো সামনে সামনি কথা বলা হচ্ছে, one on one, face to face. একটা হচ্ছে telephonic conversation. একটা হচ্ছে that you don't look at each other like telephonic conversation. And there is also when the person cannot talk, is only using the gestures. That is also communication. Somebody cannot see each other, listen to each other, write letters, books. So these are all mediums of communication. Now, how does the communication cycle happens? কেউ বলতে পারবে কিরকম করে communication cycleটা হয়? কি হয় communication cycle? So there is a process that you have to follow. And তোমরা সবাই এটা আজকে notice করবে when we are doing this tool that all of you follow this cycle or not. If someone of you is not following, that means your communication is cut there. You are poor in your communication there. You have to follow the whole rule. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So there's a 5 set of rules that you have to follow. So now, আমি তোমাদের সঙ্গে কথা বলছি. What am I doing? My message is reaching. My message is reaching.
Yes, ma'am.
So এটাতে কি হয়? এটাতে কি হয়? What do you যে কথাটা শুনছে তার কি হয়? What is the tool? ওটাতে কোন জিনিসটা ইউজ করো তোমরা? So when a message goes, then the person যখন মেসেজটা যায় সামনের লোকটা কি করে মেসেজটাকে
রিসিভ করে ম্যাম।
listen. Yes. So the first tool is listen. Now all of you, do you all listen carefully? সব সময় কি তোমরা শুনো সব কথা? The first tool of communication cycle is
No,
listen. So আমাদের বেশিরভাগ সময় বা অনেক সময় we miss out with the listening part. Why আমাদের মিস কেন হয়? কেন হয় মিসটা?
ম্যাম অনেক সময় আমরা অন্যদিকে কোনো মনোযোগ হ্যাঁ মন থাকলে সেই যেটা শুনি আমরা সেটা মন দিয়ে আর শোনা হয় না, অন্যদিকে মন থাকলে সেটা।
Okay, that is one. When you are not careful. Second,
Boring, ma'am.
Okay, that is a psychological factor. But what happens if you're not listening carefully? Second, what happens? Come on, তুমি শুনতে না পাওয়ার কি কি কারণ হতে পারে? সাপোজ তুমি কারোর কথা শুনতে পাওনি, বুঝতে পারোনি, একটা তো হলো you are not careful. What is the other thing? What is the other thing?
ম্যাম কেউ যদি ডিস্টার্ব করবে তাহলে শোনা যাবে না।
কেউ যদি
ম্যাডাম কাজের ক্ষেত্রে কি শোনা যাবে না? কাজের ক্ষেত্রে কোনো কিছু কাজের ক্ষেত্রে
yes, 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 background noise, right? Poor
Yes, ma'am.
connection,
ইয়েস ম্যাম
correct? Yes. তখন disturbances এর জন্য you're not able to hear, or somebody is in between disturbing you. Like অনেক সময় হয়, right? Somebody comes in and he says that and you say that একটু চুপ করো, আমি শুনতে পাচ্ছি না. Don't you say that? Because you're
ma'am.
not receiving the message. Because you're not receiving the message. So for listening, this is one thing. Okay, there are some more factors. Think about it. Bebe bolo. How about somebody is not clear in his speech? কেউ clearly কথা বলছে না. Do you think you will be able to listen that properly? ভালো করে শুনতে পারবে?
না ম্যাম।
না
No,
ম্যাম
Suppose somebody has a very different accent. Do you think you will be able to understand? Do you understand everything that
Yes, ma'am.
you watch in say in English movies are generally very good. They don't have a crooked accent, but অনেকের হয়, right? মানে অন্য দেশের হচ্ছে, অন্য জায়গার হচ্ছে, so the accent is different. Forget about different deshes. Even in India, there are many dialects, right? Like in Bengal
ma'am.
also, Bengali is spoken in different dialects, right? অনেক রকম করে বাংলা ভাষাকে বলা হয়, right? Do we understand every dialect?
ইয়েস ম্যাম
So that can be one way when you are breaking the communication cycle, right?
রাইট ম্যাম
This is the first tool. The first tool is you have to make sure that you are listening carefully. That you are listening carefully. যেই মেসেজটা যাচ্ছে সেটা আমি if I'm sending it to you or you are sending it to me, it has to reach that person. If I'm talking to the mass, I have to make sure that it reaches the mass. Everybody. If a student is sitting at the corner seat at the back, he is able to hear my voice. And arekta important factor, somebody has to put. Okay, there's one more factor that is audibility. What do you mean by audibility? Anybody who can tell me what do you mean by audibility? Yes.
অডিবেলি বলতে ম্যাডাম সাউন্ডনেস কে কিছু বলছে না, সাউন্ডের কিছু মানে ভলিউম
Yes, volume of your voice.
ভয়েস
Okay, তুমি যদি কাউকে কখনো শুনতে না পাচ্ছো, how will you say that? Can you be please audible? That's how you should say it. You're not audible enough. That means আমি আপনাকে শুনতে পাচ্ছি না. I want you all to note down these points and these lines because this is going to take you further. So when you don't listen to somebody, then you say that, you're not audible enough. Or can you be audible, please? So the first
I am audible too.
The first tool of your communication cycle is your listen. When you listen. Right?
Yes, ma'am.
রাইট ম্যাম
So now when I am talking to you or you are talking to anybody else anywhere in your classes and you're going to start right from now. I mean, don't say that I'm I will do it later. It's not going to happen like that. Right from today, right from now, you're going to start applying these tools. So এখন থেকে whenever you think that you missed out some information, you did not listen, you could not hear, now that you have internet, there is a there are many barriers, এগুলোকে barriers বলে, right? Like connection problem, frozen হয়ে গিয়েছে, some background noise, somebody is talking in between. So you have to make sure that the message reaches you. Okay, first tool clear, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Second,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
second, what happens after listening? শোনার পরে what do you do? What do you do? What is the next stage after listening?
Ma'am, visually,
There's no visual here.
Ma'am, we are responding her message.
Restoring, you said?
Ma'am, we are responding her message.
Responding. Okay. Okay.
And
Respond
give her-
করার respond এর আগে there is a huge factor. Respond এর আগে কিন্তু there is lot of things. So after listening, we try to understand. তাই কি না?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম,
We
Yes,
try
ma'am.
to understand
Yes, ma'am.
what the person is trying to say. কোনো facts বললো, কোনো concept বোঝালো, কোনো একটা problem বললো, কোনো একটা বিষয়ে কথা বললো, কোনো একটা issue উঠালো. So you try to understand what he said, মানে what you listened, right? In your
হ্যাঁ
mind.
ম্যাম,
Now this part is more like you are trying to understand the other person's point of view, right?
ইয়েস ম্যাম,
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Now এরকম হতেই পারে যে অনেক সময় our understanding and your understanding and somebody else's understanding is completely different, right?
Yes, ma'am.
ম্যাম।
And that happens. Why do you think that happens? এরকম কেন হয়? Why do you think our understandings are different? Because we are different people. We are brought up in different environments. We are brought up with different mindsets. We are brought up in
Different
different
thinking.
cultures.
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম, সবারই ভাবনা এক নয়।
Different
But,
thinking.
different thinking, right?
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
imagine trying to say the whole life. There are okay, there's somebody has to mute. So there in this whole society, there are so many different kind of people, right? So everybody, every second day or every moment, you come up with people with whom you do not match. যেখানে তুমি বলো forget about others, বাড়িতেও এরকম হয় when you say that oh she never understood me, আমার বোন, oh she will never understand me, my brother, he doesn't even understand my point of view, my mom, my dad will never understand this, my parents are very different, আমরা বলি কি না?
ইয়েস ম্যাম,
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
Right? Suppose going out and watching a late night movie is an okay thing for you because you were born in a different time. The world has changed, the society has changed. It's much more safer and it's more relaxing. But for parents who were not in this generation, they don't take it. They are more concerned about your safety. They don't like it. So they have that different mindset. So when you say that I'm going for a late night movie, what you understand by a late night movie might not be the same what your parents understand. Something is relaxing for you or something is enjoyment for you, maybe a concern and not a very good thing to do for your parents. Correct?
Right, ma'am.
ইয়েস ম্যাম,
Similarly, suppose now try to understand these parts are little psychological part, okay? So you have to understand it very carefully. Now suppose say Alokita amake, so when so some people know Alokita is like, oh she's very wild, she doesn't follow any rules, ওর তো কোনো একভাবে চলে না, she's very weird, ঠিক আছে? এটা একটা আমার impression. So now you all know that Alokita is like that. So when I come and tell something about something different, don't you think ওই preconceived thoughts গুলো তোমার মাথায় থাকবে যে ও এরকম ও আর কি বলবে এই বিষয়ে, ও তো এটা I know how she is. She doesn't even follow her rules. She's going to talk about how to follow rules. Oh, আমি rules এর বিষয়ে কিছু বলতে চাই. So don't you think that a lot of people will think that সে নিজেই rules মেনে উঠছে না? How did you come to know? From somewhere. So ও যে জিনিসটা বলবে ওটা কি তুমি খুব একটা আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড করার চেষ্টা করবে?
No, ma'am.
Did you
No,
understand
ma'am.
saying? আমি কি বলছি বুঝতে পারছো?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose
Yes, ma'am.
you know a politician who is very crooked, যে খুব cunning হচ্ছে. So for those politicians, for যখন campaign এর সময়, যখন ভোটের সময়, they come and talk about, I am going to do a lot of things for you. তখন কি ওই মেসেজটা তুমি আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড করার চেষ্টা করো? Or you think like, এমনি বলছে just because of what he's talking? এটা হয় কি না?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম, তারা তো অনেক
হয়
কথাই
ma'am.
বলে হোটেল, এটা করে দেবো ওটা
Right?
করে দেবো। হ্যাঁ
Yes.
ম্যাম।
So that is the understanding factor. So understanding মানে psychological factor টা কতটা play করছে, যে if you have something about somebody, now for example তুমি যদি জানো যে Amitabh Bachchan is a very good person, he personally donates a lot, he takes care of people. I'm not saying that it is true or false, এটা সত্যি না খারাপ, irrespective of that, it's just an example. And তখন Amitabh, যখন the country is facing a problem, you see that he's doing something for the country, he's contributing, or then you think that that is how it should be, right? Because তোমার psychology তে you have him as a very good person in your mind, right? So he will do, কিন্তু
Yes,
একটা
ma'am.
good person যখন automatically does something not according to your expectation, so don't you think the understanding factor টা crash করে যায়?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So যেটা হয়, a lot of understanding depends on two things. So the listen part, মানে two things হলো একটা psychological factor and the acceptance. The psychological factor is like তুমি কাউকে চেনো না কিছু না, so when you listen to that person, you try to understand that person's point of view, a concept, issue, whatever. আরেকটা হয় যে understand তুমি তাকেই করতে চাও যাকে you believe or you want to. You will not try to understand somebody whom you don't want to understand. Suppose you don't like somebody in your class, will you want to listen to that person, তার সঙ্গে বসে কথা বলতে চাও, or you will say that, you know what, I don't want to talk to you? Don't you say that?
Yes, ma'am.
So very important that when I am talking to you, এই যে তোমরা শুনছো, তোমরা বুঝতে পারছো? Are you understanding what I am trying to say?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
বুঝতে
ma'am.
পারছি।
Yes, ma'am.
That
Yes,
part
ma'am.
of your communication is called understanding. Like when I started the class and I was talking to you all, nobody was responding. So what happens? So eta korle, suppose if you do like that, what is the impression that you are giving? You are giving your impression, each one of you. You cannot think that, okay, আমি আছি, আমার সঙ্গে আরো 20টা লোক আছে, কেউ না কেউ উত্তর দেবে। No, you are responsible for your own actions. If you are not answering, that means you are giving an impression that I am not interested. Hoy kina, like you go to a class in your
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম।
say you get into the class, somebody is not, no one is talking to you, or there is a group of boys, তুমি একা ঢুকছো, they are all laughing, enjoying, saying stuff. You go and sit at one place. How will you feel? How will you feel?
Good, ma'am.
You'll feel good?
Yes, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
How will you feel good? একটা গ্রুপে মনে করো ক্লাসের ভিতরে 4-5টা ছেলেরা হাসছে গল্প করছে, they are all into themselves. So one person say Akash, you get in, ক্লাসে ঢুকছো, and nobody is looking at you, they're not even interested in talking, they're নিজেদের কথাই চালিয়ে যাচ্ছে, এই ওখানে গেছিস ওখানে গেছিস. How will you feel, Akash?
Ma'am, very bad. I'm feeling very bad
No, ma'am. No.
because nobody is interesting me.
You will feel a little neglected, or you will feel a little awkward, right? That nobody is
Yes, ma'am.
saying anything. And এর মধ্যে যদি এটা হয় যে Akash is getting in and say Shubhajit and says that hey, are you new in the class? Then Akash says yes. Oh, what's your name? I'm Akash. Oh, hi Akash, I'm Shubhajit. He's this. Akash, how will you feel now?
Ma'am,
Good,
I'm
ma'am.
feeling very happy because someone trying to talking me.
Yeah, so you will feel better, right? You will feel comfortable. So, and it talks about your personality. So, it is very important that you talk, respond. Forget about the English part. Forget that, oh, ma'am, আমি English বলতে পারছি না. বলতে পারছো না, no, you all know English. It's just you're out of practice and you never try for that. So,
হ্যাঁ, ma'am.
communication cycle, if you have to listen to somebody, you have to understand that person. Correct? This is the third stage.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, after third stage, there is something called comprehend. This is the fourth stage. Comprehend মানে কি হয়? What do you mean by comprehend? ছোটবেলায়, did you all do comprehensions?
হ্যাঁ, ma'am.
What did you do in comprehension? কি করতে comprehension এ? What was the meaning of comprehension?
উম,
Say whatever is there. If you don't know, that also say.
ma'am, কোনো একটা স্টোরি দেওয়া থাকবে, সেই স্টোরি থেকে কতগুলো কোশ্চেন দেওয়া থাকবে, সেই কোশ্চেন অ্যান্সার গুলো সেই স্টোরির মধ্যে
Correct.
আমরা পেতাম আর কি, সেটাকে কম্প্রিহেনশন
Okay.
বলে।
Yeah. So basically, একটা স্টোরিটাকে পড়ে ওটার মরাল বের করা, মানে ওটার সম্বন্ধে সব কিছু বোঝা, রাইট?
হ্যাঁ,
সো দ্যাট
তারপরে কোশ্চেন।
কম্প্রিহেন্ড এর মানেটাও তাই হয়, লাইক সব কথা শুনে বুঝে এবার ওটা নিয়ে তোমার ভিউ পয়েন্টটাকে বের করা, দ্যাট ইজ কল্ড কম্প্রিহেন্ডিং। এবার তুমি শুনলে, তুমি you have to listen to a person you want to listen according to your understanding, right? Now suppose you
Yes.
know somebody is going through a bad time, somebody is going through a tough time. What do? You try to give him a solution, but you will give a solution to a person whom you like, right? You comprehend yourself.
হ্যাঁ, ma'am.
Comprehend, basically you're trying to give a solution. Comprehend is something that you are understanding and you are coming to a zest, means একটা নিচড়ে আসছো, একটা শেষে আসছো আর কি, that is comprehending. এবার তুমি জিনিসটাকে বুঝে ওটা কিভাবে দেখছো, that is called comprehending. একটা হয় বোঝা, যেটা আমি তোমাদেরকে এতক্ষণ ধরে বোঝালাম. Now you are comprehending the thing, the situation. যেরকম for example, okay, you come home, it's your birthday, and every year your mom without fail she makes good food, biryani, mach, mangsho, and
হ্যাঁ,
you
ma'am,
know,
বলেছিলেন এটা।
right? I told you, right? So
Yes,
and then when you so either you understand her that day, if she doesn't make it, একটা দিন যদি সে না করে উঠছে, so you understand and then you comprehend যে yes, you understood her and then you comprehended the fact that it's okay, right? She did want to do it, probably এই কারণের জন্য, কোন একটা ফ্যাক্টের জন্য, you're comprehending, তুমি একটা মানে শেষ বের করছো যে this is why she is not done it, which can be satisfactory, which can be non-satisfactory, both the way. This is just the portion of understanding to comprehend. And according to what you comprehend, আর comprehend টাও depend করে তোমার understanding এর উপরে, যে তুমি কি বুঝলে, ওটার হিসাবেই তো you will come to a conclusion, তাই তো?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম।
Yes, ma'am.
And then according to what you understood, it can be positive, it can be not so positive, or it can be negative. So ওই হিসাবে, like all these factors এর হিসাবে, three, either it is good or bad, you're going to react or respond. Correct?
Yes, ma'am.
So our communication cycle involves all these 5 steps. Okay, 4 steps, and the 5th step, যেটা সবচেয়ে important, ওটা হলো feedback, which the messenger gives you, মানে asks you back. When you give, like এখন আমি যখন জিজ্ঞেস করছি, are you listening to me? What do you say?
Yes, ma'am.
This is the feedback. So what I understood is only 2 people who are understanding. আমি যেটা বুঝলাম, only 1 person or 2 person is understanding, because rest of them are not speaking. বাকি সবাই তো বলছে না। You all have to give me a reason for why you are not talking or why you are not responding.
ম্যাম আমার নেটওয়ার্ক একটু প্রবলেম হচ্ছে, যার ফলে আমি মানে কিছু শুনতে পাচ্ছি না ঠিক মতো।
You did not hear Amin? What we did the whole thing now. You did not hear it?
নো ম্যাম, নো ম্যাম।
Okay, you all will have the recorded video, right, of the classes?
Ma'am, some noise আসছে ma'am.
Yeah. Somebody is like unmuted where the voice is there, so you have to quickly talk and unmute if you have a lot of background noise. So who's that? Satya. Satya, I
Akram,
think
Akram.
Satya or somebody else. Okay, so whoever missed out with the network, for the network problem, I want you all to go through the session. You have the recorded sessions, right?
Right, ma'am.
So go through the networking session, the recorded session, and listen to what I said, the middle part of the class, where I tried to explain you the 5 stages of communication. Now, the last part which I was trying to explain was the response part, the feedback part. Okay. Now the feedback, usually you should always do it. Just now that you did was a feedback. But suppose it is one to all. Suppose I'm talking to a lot of people. So when you finish giving your speech, your concept, so there are a lot of speakers, you will see they say that, any questions? Do you want to ask something? So he's looking for a feedback. Now, if you do not like something, if you did not understand one particular point, if you are trying to, figure out some part of it, it is your responsibility to get there and ask that, I would want you to explain me the comprehension part. I want you all to make me understand the feedback part. You will also see there are a lot of places after you've done a course, they give you question answers or an assessment test, right?
Right, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Those are basically the feedback. Like, okay, simple things. It's a customer services you call centers, customer services. Don't you think there are sometimes all these feedback calls like, sir, did you like the service? How was it? Was your problem solved? Hoy na erokom?
হ্যাঁ ম্যাম হয়।
That is what they're trying to do, is your feedback part. So now the communication cycle has 5 stages mostly. One, the message that you're sending. After the message sent, what happens? You listen. After you listen, you understand. After you understand, you comprehend. After you comprehend, you respond. And after you respond, the messenger needs to ask for a feedback. Now look at this. Can you see this?
Yes, ma'am.
So the message is sent, and here you listen. After you listen, you understand, and after you understand, you comprehend, and then you respond. And then the messenger has to respond back. So there has to be a opposite arrow asking for feedback. Now, the message needs to be sent to a person so that he or she can listen. So the barriers here, if the message is not reaching, it can be your audibility, that is your voice. If your voice is too low, you will not be able to hear. It can be your network, it can be your accent, it can be your language. There are many such aspects. So which might you might lose the chain, you might lose the flow right here. So your communication cycle breaks right here if you are not taking care of the listen part. Then after listening, you go to understand. Now in this understanding part, it requires a lot of your psychological senses, where you try to understand. Now the understand is based on 2 factors. One is something that you have never, somebody who don't have anything, you don't have anything about that person in the mind. Then you openly listen to that person carefully and try to understand his viewpoints, his concept, his issues, his problems. But on the other hand, if you know someone who is not so good in your mind, or who is a great person in your mind, so you will want to listen to the great person, right? And you will not want to listen to the person you don't like, right? So the understanding factor depends a lot on your psychological aspect. Only then you can listen to that person carefully. So the graph goes back again. So if you don't you're not trying to understand somebody, that means you're not listening to that person, and that person's message is not reaching you. So your communication cycle breaks here. So once you take care of the understanding part, it becomes easier for you to comprehend. That means to come up with an answer, to come up with the fact that, okay, yes, I understood what has been said, I got the concept, and now I use my own point of view according to what I understood, and মানে আমি যেটা বুঝেছি ওটার হিসেবে আমি আমার ভিউ পয়েন্টটা নিয়ে আমি একটা I come up with a conclusion, and according to that conclusion, and that conclusion can be positive, can be negative, both the ways, right? And according to that,
Right, ma'am.
you respond, react, respond. তুমি খুব রেগে গিয়ে রিঅ্যাক্ট করতে পারো কোনো জিনিসে খুব you are impulsive, and you respond that way, right? এটাও করতে পারো।
Right, ma'am.
After you respond, and then there is a message, that is there is a feedback, right? That when you ask
Right,
the other person and say that, okay, did you understand what I said? Did you understand what I meant? So all this part, this is the full communication cycle. Now for each one of you, you have to figure out that how good you are at. Karor listening is a strength, karor understanding is a strength. You know, you have your strength psychologically, that I don't mind that person whether I like that person, I don't like that person, but I can listen to somebody carefully. On the other hand, I can take care of the barriers, ami sound ba accent ba diction shob bujhte pari. So you know, my strength is here, my strength. And then after understanding, when you respond, you can control your emotions and respond accordingly. So that is my strength. So you have to figure out amongst this whole conversation, what is your strength, and whether are you all meeting the whole cycle of communication, or you're breaking it here. Are you all getting me what I'm saying?
Yes, yeah, ma'am.
Yes.
So today, your communication cycle, are you clear with it? So you give a message,
Yeah,
you
ma'am.
listen, you understand, you comprehend, you respond. Are you clear with it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Yes,
You
ma'am.
want to ask me something on this? Do you want to ask me something on this? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am,
So question is, all of you are clear? So in the next class, I'm going to see that you people know what communication cycle is.
ম্যাম কম্প্রিহেন্ডটা আমি মিস করে গেছি, আরেকবার বলবেন? শুধু কম্প্রিহেন্ড পয়েন্টটা।
Comprehension. Yes. So comprehend is when you suppose you understood a person, it is about making a conclusion. একটা কনক্লুশনে আসতে হবে, রাইট? একটা পার্সন কোনো কথা বলেছে, তুমি সেটা শুনে ওটাকে বুঝেছো, বোঝার পর তোমার নিজের পয়েন্ট অফ ভিউ এর অ্যাকর্ডিংলি ইউ আর ট্রাইং টু কাম টু আ কনক্লুশন, রাইট? যে এটা ঠিক বলছে, এটা ঠিক বলছে না, আমার এরকম করা উচিত, আমার এরকম করা উচিত না, বা ইউ সাজেস্ট সামবডি এন্ড ইউ comprehend the solution, the situation, right? বুঝতে পারছো?
ইয়েস ম্যাম।
Yes, ma'am.
So when you come to a solution, when you come to a conclusion after listening to that point of view, যেরকম একটা suppose in a politician is campaigning, okay, so he's sending his message to all of you, so he uses all the loudspeakers and a lot of people slogans করে, so the message is reaching you. After listening to that message, তুমি কি বুঝতে পারছো যে ও he is trying to do good for the society or he is just wanting the position? আর সেটা ডিপেন্ড করবে তোমার বোঝার ক্ষমতায়, লাইক if you have seen that ওই পলিটিশিয়ান খুব ভালো কাজ করেছে, then you will understand that হ্যাঁ ও করতে পারে, ওকে ভোট দিলে ও এটাও করতে পারে। But somebody who has not done anything for the society, for the মানে লোকের জন্য, then what do you come to a conclusion, মানে what do you understand? ও এ তো সবসময় ক্যাম্পেইন করে যায় কিন্তু করে কিছুই নয়, রাইট? দ্যাট ইজ ইয়োর আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ডিং। তারপরে ওই সিচুয়েশনটাকে আন্ডারস্ট্যান্ড করে তুমি কনক্লুশনে আসছো যে এবার অনেক সময় হয় when you understand যে when you comprehend যে মনে হয় এবার ভালো করে কাজ করবে, মনে হয় এবার এই ইলেকট্রিসিটিটা নিয়ে কাজ করবে, মনে হয় এবার এডুকেশন সিস্টেমটা নিয়ে কাজ করবে, you come to a conclusion, right? And then তুমি ওটাতে রেসপন্ড করো, then you decide যে হ্যাঁ ঠিক আছে আমি তাহলে ওকে এবার একবার চান্স দেই, ভোটটা দিয়ে দেখি ওকে। or you say that, বা তুমি একটা কম্প্রিহেন্ড করো যে আমি অনেকবার দেখেছি এরা কিছু করবে না, I am not going to vote for this person, so you react according to what you comprehend. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Got it.
So this is, now it is same thing for when you read a book, একটা বই পড়েছো, ওটার মেসেজটা তুমি that you read, so there ওখানে listener পার্টটা থাকে না, you only straight away understand, try to understand the book. ওই বইটা পড়ে তুমি একটা যে লেখক, মানে now we read Rabindranath Tagore so much, right? So we comprehended the kind of person he was, right? He wrote about everything, every emotion, every fact, every issue, right? And according to our understanding and comprehending what Tagore was, we respond to his books, his songs, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Right, ma'am.
So this is the whole communication cycle. So you all understood it, right? So do we have a class till 12 or till 11, 1 hour class, right?
12
1 hour 30-minute class.
30 minutes.
1 hour 30 minutes class. We have the class till 12 o'clock, or I think we have the class till
ম্যাম
11:30. Yes.
হ্যালো ম্যাম, আপনি শুনতে পাচ্ছেন?
হ্যাঁ স্যার আমাদের কি এখন অবধি ক্লাস আছে 11:30 অবধি?
না ম্যাম,
না, 11
আপনার 12টা পর্যন্ত ম্যাম।
ওকে ওকে।
হ্যালো ম্যাম, শুনতে পাচ্ছেন?
হ্যাঁ 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 স্যার বলুন।
হ্যালো।
Yes yes sir, I can hear you.
ওকে ওকে, থ্যাংক ইউ। আচ্ছা ম্যাম, বলছি ফার্স্টে মানে আপনার ক্লাসটা স্কেডিউলড হয়েছিল ফ্রম 10:30 to 12, তো তারপরে ওটা রিস্কেডিউলড হয়েছে ফ্রম 10:30 to 11:30 ম্যাম। আপনার এই
Correct.
ক্লাসটা 1 আওয়ার অবধি, আবার আপনার 12:30 থেকে 1:30 তে থার্ড ইয়ারের আরেকটা গ্রুমিং
Yeah.
সেশন আছে ম্যাম।
No, that is why I wanted to, because in the meeting it was written and the kids are also saying, so I just wanted to confirm.
শিওর ম্যাম। ওকে ম্যাম।
So, okay, so so we do have a class till now. So I just want to tell you that today we did the communication cycle, and I am going to be very particular in the from the next classes that Tomra Shabai, you are responding, talking, and I do not come and tell me that ma'am I did not, I don't know English, ami eta jani na, ami ota jani na. You have to come up and tell me that why were you not responding if you are not. But I believe that you all will be talking and responding, right?
Right, ma'am.
Yes ma'am.
We all responding.
Okay, so start to swim, jump into the water. Don't wait for anybody to push you. Okay, so I'm going to see you in the
Yeah,
next class next week. Till then, work on your communication. Every class that you do, it's not only about just soft skill class, Aisha, you have to start talking. In every class that you're doing, it is very important. Follow the instructions and talk whenever it is needed and asked to. Amongst
ma'am.
yourself with the faculties, okay? Take
Okay
care
ma'am.
of yourself. Have a nice.
Okay, ma'am.
See you again.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.